Dear EARMA members, welcome to your new EARMA member platform. With this video, I'm going to explain you and show you how you can get the most out of your membership by using the best functionalities. But before I start, please let me say a huge thank you to those of you who have provided us with a very relevant feedback. Thanks to your feedback, we were able to build this platform in the best way possible. So let's start. When you're coming to this membership platform for the very first time, please make sure to retrieve or set your password by clicking here. Then you will be asked to use or to add your email address where the login details will be sent to. Please make sure to use the email address that is already associated with your EARMA account. Once done, you will update your password, add the details in here, and simply log in. This is the homepage. So how to get organized in here? On the top right corner, you will see your name initials. Here you see all the subscription preferences that you can update at any moment. You can see your profile details, your organization profile details. All these details can be updated. And here is a very, very important and relevant information for our institutional account administrators. By clicking on subscribe your colleagues, you will have automatically access to all your organizational contact details. So all the members that belong to your organization will be placed here. You can also update the details if needed, or if the person doesn't work with you anymore, you can simply remove it. If you would like to invite new users to join this community, you can simply do it by adding the details in here and submit the request. But let's go to the homepage. What you see in here are quick links to access the most relevant and important details. On the left side, you will see the most recent news. By scrolling below, you see all the groups that you belong to, and you see also the other groups that you might consider becoming part of. By scrolling below, you will see the upcoming events in our community, and always you will have access to the latest edition of our newsletter. So, what about group structure? What is it? We have designed this group structure in the best way possible for our smaller communities so they can share, collaborate, and communicate together in the best and the most organized way. For the governance and expert groups, there are several groups, and those groups are hidden and only visible to people that are part of those groups. Thematic groups are open to the wider community, and everybody can can join them and also see the email conversation, meeting calendar, working group documents, and list of members. This same structure is actually everywhere within whole group structure. I will show you a little bit more details in our demo group. For example, each group, this is now a very, very nice and new function, has a specific and unifying email group ID. This means that once you're belonging to the specific group, you're automatically added to the specific group ID. But please be very wise in here. Only the specific members can email to these email IDs to avoid a lot of spamming. So for the thematic groups, it's only the chair of the specific thematic groups who can email and send the mass emails to the group email ID. Once anything is sent to the group email ID, then it's automatically centralized in the conversation. People can simply also search for the key details by adding the keywords in the search bar. Once any meeting is sent to the group email ID, then the meetings will be also automatically placed in here. You can review all the members, you can review who are those members and which groups they are also part of. And also you can review the documents for each group. And what about the networking? This is very, very powerful and very, very amazing function that you can benefit. If you're searching for a specific contact, if you're looking for specific details within the community, you can simply use the filters on the left side. For example, you can search by type of the membership, by specific tags, for the specific details about each organization we have in our membership. You can review the type of the membership and anything that was added to the profile. And you can also see the person that is associated with this organization, and you can see the full profile of the person. There is also this email function or this envelope icon, and that means that you can directly get in contact with the specific person from this platform. Here it's very important that by default your email ID is shown in the platform, but if you do not wish to have this email shown or this envelope shown for everyone in the networking tab, you can come to your profile, update it, and add it display my email on networking tab, yes or no, and then submit it. Once we receive your request, we will approve it and your email will be hidden. So make sure that if you do not wish to be there or with your email address visible, update your profile. Then you can search for events, you can register for the event, and after the event, sometimes you can also access the certificate of attendance. You can also review the news, resources, newsletter, and carriers, and also the global calendar. This calendar actually consists of a lot of events that are happening across the whole community. If you're part of many groups, then all the events will be placed in here. So you can simply log into your membership platform and review what's going on in your community and where to participate. There is also Media Hub, data stories, and members map, but I will let you to explore those details on your own. They're not very complicated, and I hope you will have a wonderful and pleasant experience of exploring our new members platform.